Thursday, 12th January 2023 at about 8 p.m. You can see this is AMK Hub, which is quite crowded. Now, Liho tea is a big thing in Singapore, as well as the food, of course. This one is also very popular.
Oh, that's between the company.
10 minutes. Korean style cutting. The iPhone, the retail store just simply for these phone cases and whatnot. So I'm surprised this one is closed. Now this A1 is also one of the old timers and it's famous for porridge. Well, AMK Hub, I think any eatery will be busy because it's really a high footfall place. Now this one's a bit of a mystery. Don't know what they're doing actually, but there are a few of these shops here. Happy Walker, of course, is for those with problem with foot, with the feet here. I use it. I have the arch support and it's really helpful. They have a machine to test you, and but this is the hairdresser. But it's just only a section of AMK Hub. There's a cinema upstairs and many other retail shops have stopped now. This is a new thing, pick a box. Food again, Thai Express. This one is expanding Hong Kong cafe. Not surprising, you have some dresses out here. So stop now. Have a good night.